Let's take a look at the Neil Winthrop pillow covers. We have the pack of 2 and they're bright white. And we have the invisible zipper, my favorite. It's running easy and smooth. It seems to be a nice one. This is 100% polyester. The care tag says to hand wash it and hang it to dry. So I'm going to do that today so you can see how it looks after it's washed. And this is on the inside. It's looking really nice on the inside also. And on the outside we have the 3D embossed design and it's very soft. I think this is a well-made pillow cover. It looks really good. They are 20 by 20. Okay, the stitching looks nice. I can't find any faults so far. On the back it's very smooth, almost like velvet feel, and on the front we have the embossed design and I love it. I'm gonna turn it inside out and I'm gonna wash it as the instruction said, to hand wash it and hang it to dry. And here they are after I washed them. They're still looking nice. I really love these pillow covers. These pillow covers are super soft and they look good. You can use them to style your sofa or your bed.